What a year this has been. There have been many challenges in 2020, and I know that we're all doing the very best we can. Let's take a moment and look back on what we've learned and remember all that we're grateful for. There are so many things that we've been able to do together. You've been spending time at home creating handmade quilts to share. You've been making masks. We've all made masks. And using your creativity to make the world a more beautiful place. You've accomplished so much, and I am honestly so amazed at how much good quilters do. I want to say a few things that I'm personally grateful for, and I know these girls do too. And I'm grateful for both of you that we've been able to work together and share this time together. I'm grateful for the triple play that started this year.
I think because we've had so much extra time at home, we've been able to come up with some really fun
ideas.
Yes,
the Missouri Star, we didn't have to lay off a single person, and so that's like a miraculous thing. I think that's been amazing.
Yeah, we've all learned and gotten
we've
so
become
flexible.
flexible.
Like there's so many different things that are different, and we're all just working through it and figuring it out.
And lots of good is going to come out of this. And as always, we are thankful for all of you. Quilters make the world a better place with their kindness and creativity. Thank you for all the time you've spent with us at Missouri Star, and please keep sharing your stories with us. We love you so much. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.